At the long reservations list at the other restaurants. So now you just go to the lunchbox.
Sure, you can do that.
Quick and easy, yeah.
You better know Brian, though.
Give me a reservation.
That's right.
February is Heart Health Month, and heart disease is the #1 killer of women.
Awareness, education, and care are critical in preventing, I should say, and treating the disease.
Well, WJZ is live at the MAC in Timonium. That's where we find Sharon Jabala.
Sharon, good morning.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Well, the Maryland Athletic Club and a Wellness Center is obviously concerned with people's health, and they have this great event that's coming up that is not only fun, it's educational, promotes awareness, you get moving, and a little wine afterwards as well. And this is something that is going to be open to members and non-members. It's coming up later in February. We have Liz Rohde, co-owner of the MAC. Good morning.
Good morning, Sharon. How are you?
We're great. So you partnered up with Self Magazine for this. Tell us about it.
The event is February 28th, and it's called Change of Heart. And what the MAC wants to do is to educate the public on the prevention of heart disease, because February is National Heart. And the #1 killer for women is heart disease, above breast cancer. 1 out of every 3 dies from a heart episode compared to 1 out of 31 for cancer. So we really want to let women know that there's something that you can do and be proactive to avoid heart disease.
But you said that this is open to men and non-members as well.
Exactly. It's open to the community. Bring a friend. The event's going to have a little education by Dr. Robert Rice, who's the professor of Hopkins Cardiology. And we also have great, exciting exercise, because exercise is an antidote towards the prevention of heart disease. So we really want to get everyone moving and exercising. We've got great Zumba and Bokwa. We have a great master instructor who's going to be presenting. And of course, it's what we eat and what we put into our system. So, we do have a little wine tasting with dark red wine, thanks to the wine merchant, and we might have a little dark chocolate there too. Plus, Self Magazine is going to give you all a year subscription to Self Magazine. So.
Fantastic. The wine and the chocolate had me. I haven't done the Zumba yet, but we're going to check that out in about 20 minutes. Meantime, the event is on the 28th, and you can sign up for it on their website. We'll give you a little more information coming up in 20 minutes. Back over to you guys.
All right. Thanks, Sharon.
All right. Sharon Jabala reporting live from Timonium this morning.
You drink the wine and eat the chocolate, and you need Zumba.
That's right. You do. You do. All right.
Coming up next, an Eyewitness News Weekend edition.